I met a man of 2 feet tall. This man was quite ambitious in a world that is so vicious to us all. I said hi, as he replied. He said, listen to these words that I...
For today's 13 things, we have a Tootsie Roll, a granola bar, peanut brittle, Tic Tac, sunflower seeds, a candy cane, a crouton, fortune cookie with the paper in it, marshmallow, double bubble, not a fan of those, banana, Kool-Aid, and a strawberry Pop-Tart. Box. Okay, let's get this started. First off, we'll go with the crouton. I was going to, but I went too early, I guess. Looks pretty normal. Now, time for the taste test. There go the sunflower seeds. So far, nothing. Now for the taste test. Time for the taste test. Hang on. They're like softer than they usually are. So I'm going to say they didn't really do much. Now for next one. It's soft. It's soft, like really soft. I guess I can do the taste test. I don't like this stuff. It's actually manageable. Dang. They got rid of some of like the too sweet flavor. It's actually manageable. You don't like a bubble or double bubble? And your friend gives you some? Microwave it. Just for 30 seconds, it'll be good. Bye-bye, Tootsie Roll. Whoa. You see that bubble? That's huge. What the heck? 5, 4, 3, 2. Dude, do you see this? Dude, I'm scared to take that out. Hang on, let me get a napkin. Maybe I should have done this one last. No! Ah, you see that? That's what happened. Oh gosh, it's hot. Do you see this? Yeah, I'm gonna go get a spoon so I can do the taste test. I got a plastic spoon for safety. Oh my gosh. Dude, it's so gooey. I can't get it. Really hot. But really good. I'd say the way it looks when it comes out is disgusting. But it's so cool because it bubbled and everything. So, I'd say this was a good one. Definitely tastes good. Let's see how the fortune turned out. Ooh, it's gooey. Yeah, hot. That's a burnt part. Spoon. Got it. Here's paper. There. And it's hot and sticky. But other than that, it says morality is truth in full blossom. Okay. Now for the taste test. It's kind of hot. It just tastes burnt. Like, nothing in particular, just burnt. Burnt something. Not a fan. Nope. Peanut brittle. Been waiting for this one. Dude, it's all bubbly and weird. Now that smells burnt. Now that's some squishy peanut butter. Peanut butter. Peanut butter. Yeah, that looks awesome. I think I gotta do a taste test. Okay, I'm getting the hard. Oh my gosh, look how gooey and awesome that is. Getting the hard part. It tastes like roasted nuts in here. Chestnuts are roasting on an open fire. It's hot. It's really hot. Good though. A little hot. Looks pretty normal. It's just a little hot. Here comes the taste test. Still tastes like cardboard. I had to get a different one because the other one was working. By the way, I could not get that peanut butter off. But here we go. Should I add a little bit of water to it? Nah. I think I'm going to add a little bit of water to it. There, I add a little bit of water to it. Wow, the bubbles. That might be for peanut butter. Nope, not peanut butter. It's like a little puddle of goo. Tastes good. Very hot, but good. Now I gotta go wash this plate. Ooh, I hear crackles. Oh, hang on. There we go. Ooh, I heard crackles. See, it looks normal, like a normal Tic Tac. Remember, taste test. Yeah, normal Tic Tac. It just melted a little bit. Still good though. Goes the banana phone. I had to split it in half. Split data. So hard. No, I'm kidding. It's too long. Okay, let's start it. There's his banana friends. Whoa, I hear sizzling. That's creepy. Yo, are you sizzling? It's like weird call, man. Hang on, Betty. Oh. Goodbye, granola. Let's watch it bubble. I bet you it's gonna bubble because it's chocolate. Chocolate. I'm gonna edit that part out. Right, buddy? 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Yo, look at that, man. Just like dripped off the sides. This is what y'all pay to see. Nah, I'm kidding. Y'all don't pay me. Spoon usage. It's good. Marshmallow. You gonna die. Look, those are the banana friends again. Yay. See? Puffs up like a volcano, I swear. Look at that. That's huge. That's like the biggest marshmallow in the world. Oh my gosh. It just keeps getting bigger, and then the second I open it, watch. It's just gonna like deflate. Isn't that like the coolest thing in the world? Yes, I have tried this before because I'm crazy. Look. I'm gonna put a picture of a before picture and then an after picture. See how much bigger this is? Time for the taste test. Get off the plate, you stupid. It's either all or nothing. So much sugar, but it's good though. It's good. The candy cane because my breath leaks. Dude, that's that piece of marshmallow just rising up here. There's only like one piece that didn't go with it, so like that. It literally just tasted like fluff and butter. If you've never had a peanut butter and fluff sandwich, you not like. Is it like uncurling? Hang on. Dude, the candy cane was uncurling itself. That is the coolest thing in the world, man. Not the coolest, but it's still cool. Now time for the final taste test. Sorry, like my phone died, so like it took a while for me to find a charging cord. On. The candy cane is kind of frozen to plate, so here's a piece. Don't crunch. Tastes normal. It's just weirdly shaped, so it's good. Thank you guys for watching 13 Things. This is Minimymo, signing off. Bye!
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. Or